Hey guys, it's me again. I finally decided to unplug my computer and just plug in the power just to see what changes I did. As you can see, it's the same case I've always had. I wanted to switch to a new case, but I really like this case, so I decided to stick with it and change just about everything else on the inside. Let me open this up. Okay, maybe a little hard to see. Number one difference you'll probably notice is this thing is whisper quiet. I mean, listen to this. Yeah, very nice. Let me show you what differences what changes I've made to it. I put the 120mm fan back down here. I actually picked up it was like a four fan set of CoolerMaster 120mm fans, and I put one in there, and I bought an 80mm CoolerMaster fan in the back, which is still a little hard to see. Grab a flashlight. That's an 80mm right there, 120 down here. The CPU cooler that you're looking at is the GeminII S. This is the little brother to the Gemini 2. I got this one because it's smaller. I had no idea how quiet it actually is, and the fan actually comes with this. It's a really nice cooler. It actually keeps my temperatures around like 70 degrees. And the CPU that I have on here is a dual core AMD 6400 Plus. It's generally a processor that runs pretty hot, but with this cooler, it's super cool. I'm also using Arctic Silver 5 on the as my compound, which I couldn't believe how well it actually works, and it's still brand new and it hasn't broken itself in yet, so it's going to get even cooler. Moving on, they come down here. We'll see 2 gig sticks of US modular memory. These are the two that were used on my old gaming computer. I have 4 of them, but I decided to split them up for this computer and my girlfriend's computer. The motherboard you're looking at, hold on, let me see if I can get in close, is the M3A78 Pro. It's just a basic motherboard. I got this one because all of the capacitors are those high quality. If you look here, you got those high quality capacitors, which helps to reduce, it filters out a lot of electronic noise and things like that, so it runs a little more efficiently. You'll see here there's no video card. This motherboard runs on onboard video. The video card that's on board is an ATI 3200 onboard graphics card. It works well enough. I am getting a video card for this. It's going to be the 4670, which is supposed to be kind of like this computer is going to be used for research and things like that, so I don't need a 4870 or 4850 or anything like that. Moving on, I have my it's my ATI video capture tuner card. This is the HD card I had in my old computer. I just ported it over to this one. I haven't installed the software for that yet, but I will very soon. If you look over here, I now have 2 hard drives. The top one is an 80 gig Western Digital. That's where the operating system is. And underneath, I have a 640 gigabyte Western Digital hard drive. This is the green, I think the green version that uses less power. This is strictly for storage. and it's actually very nice. It was kind of a bitch to get the second hard drive to work, but once I got it, it was very satisfying that I got it to work. And oh, I replaced the hard drive, not the hard drive, I'm an idiot. The power supply. The power supply is a 450 watt power supply. It's made by Power Up. It's a cheap hard drive, but it's worked very well, and again, it's still quiet, and I'm still blown away by how quiet this computer is now. It's about as quiet as my girlfriend's cheap computer, which is really nice that it's that quiet. But hopefully I'll make a video when I get that new video card in, and I'll show you guys and everything like that. But that's basically all I have to do, all I have to show you. So I'll just say goodbye.